Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is gonna be my first review. I'm so excited. Okay, so I waited this long to do the review because I don't think you could really tell how good a hair is just in like a few weeks. Well, that's if the hair is really really good, or if the hair is of good texture. I mean, if the hair is bad, of course you can tell off rip, but I feel like it takes a little bit more time to see how well some of these wigs from AliExpress hold up, and how well they could take to color, and how long they last, and all that other stuff. So that's kind of why I took so long to do this review, right? I'm sorry, I keep feeling like a string of hair on me. So that's kind of why I took so long to do this review right here. So I first ordered this wig back in September. I'm gonna put the pictures and videos of the wig because I did color it. It came black. It was a 13x6 deep wave or water wave frontal wig. I believe it was 150 density. I'll put the link below, and I'll also put the link of the video that I first showcased the wig in, which was the customizing a frontal and bleaching it. I'm sorry, my dog is over here doing something. I feel like there is more pros than there is cons of this hair. So in my opinion, it was very well, like it was worth the purchase. I'm definitely gonna order it again because it's like it's time to go right now. But anyways, I'm gonna start with the lace. I feel like the lace was very easy to work with, especially with my complexion being that I'm of a darker skin tone. It was very easy to work with after I bleached it and customized it, because once you bleach it, you know, once you add your tint, your lace tint, or your concealer, or your whatever you use to add when you're installing your wigs, once you add that, the lace really does melt. And I gotta say, like, it literally just started balding, and it only started balding because I was scratching it. So it's like literally at the top of the wig right here is, this is not the wig, but literally at the top of the wig right here is where it started balding at, and it just started balding. So I feel like me having the wig for 9 months, it did really well for that period of time. So I really don't got too much complaints about that. And then, oh, the hair was really soft. Like, even after I bleached it, it still was soft. Now, after bleaching it, you know, it didn't go directly back to the wavy form that it had once it was dry, because it was still a little poofy. But I did find this Chantyy shea butter for natural hair, define and shine custard. I found this little thing right, this okay, boom. Okay, so I found this right here, and it was really good in the fact that it helped hold the curls. Like, once I put it in, once I sprayed the hair with some water and I rubbed a little bit in my hands and rubbed it through the hair, the curls really bounced back. But I can't say that, going into the cons, basically, the ends of the hair started to become really dry after a period of time. So I did end up cutting the hair into a bob, which you see in the video, or which you're probably gonna see in the video. I don't know if it's still recording. I'm gonna try to like make it some way, somehow, like match the length of this video, because this video is really not gonna be so long. And yeah, but I really did love this wig. Like, it was so nice. And then once I colored it, it took the color very well. I didn't want to watercolor it because I really wanted the color to sit inside the hair, and I did let the color sit for like well, I'd probably say, I think it was overnight, because I did this so long ago. Like, I think I let the color sit overnight, so till now the color is still the same in the wig. Like, it didn't wash out, it's not running when I spray it with water. Like, it's so good. The only thing is that now the lace is starting to bald, and it got a little bald spot because I've been itching it and scratching it, but that's more so my fault. So like I said, it's definitely like I said, it's definitely more pros than there is cons. So if you want to order this wig, I would say you should go ahead and order it, because I'm definitely gonna order some more, because at this point I don't have any black wigs. If you know me, you know I'm a colored wig type of girl. This is probably the only black wig. This is the closest to black I'm gonna get right now, and as you can see, I had to throw some bleach in here to give it a little bit of color. But I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I'm definitely gonna drop the review for the red wig that I have on my channel, because you guys has definitely been requesting that. But like I said, I don't like to rush and do the reviews, because I really like to give you guys the real deal. Like, I'm not gonna sit here in front and tell you guys the hair is good when it's really not. Like, I really want to take my time and put the wig on as much time as I want to, so I could really tell y'all if it's good or not. Because even though it may not be a lot of money, it's still some type of money that you're spending. And I know some of y'all spending your hard-earned money, even though y'all looking on AliExpress trying to be a little cheap or whatever. But you know, we all been there, we all done that. And with this quarantine right now, shit, like, it's gonna keep happening. So I'm just trying to make sure I give you guys the best information that I can with some of these vendors. And you know, I'm just gonna keep doing what I do. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. I think I'm gonna try to do more videos like this where I'm actually talking, because I like this better than doing the voiceovers, because I feel like doing the voiceovers is so much more work, because it's like I record the video, then I gotta voice over the video, opposed to me just talking to y'all while I'm doing what I do. But sometimes it is hard to do what you do while, you know, while trying to record and make sure you got the perfect angles and make sure you're giving out the right information. So it's like so much multitasking and shit like that. And I know I'm probably going off topic. Like, this video is supposed to be about the review, but you know, it don't hurt. Like, it don't hurt. Y'all ain't got nothing else to do. I ain't got nothing else to do. Well, I do got stuff to do. I got more videos to edit, but as far as me recording right now, I ain't got nothing else to do but record, so I might as well talk to y'all. And welcome to my bed. I really didn't feel like doing the whole sitting in the chair, because my back is kind of hurting right now. I didn't even really want to sit in the chair and like set up all the lights, so I just put the camera on my ring light, did my little makeup, straighten my hair or whatever, and call it a day. I'm waiting on some hair right now because I want to take this out. Like, I'm tired of this black and brown. I'm waiting on some hair right now. I got this color that I can't wait for y'all to see. If I'm gonna make it a one-part video or a two-part video, because I feel like the coloring itself should be a video, and then me installing should be a video. Because if I do it all in one video, then I'm gonna have to like speed up probably a few parts that I don't want to speed up, and I need to make sure I got all of that in there for y'all, because I'm excited. Like, I'm really excited. But Chantyy is out. Like I said, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Make sure y'all like this video. Make sure y'all drop some comments. Let me know what y'all like to see in the future. Like, what other type of videos y'all would like for me to record. I know there's a few things that I want to try myself, but I'm just taking baby steps, okay? Because like I said, it's just me, and I gotta take my time. But yeah, oh yeah, you guys, ooh, hold on, let me get into my boobs real fast. Okay, so I think, what are we in? We're in May. So March, April, May. Okay, boom. Shut up. 3 months. So I'm 3 months post op. Y'all, my boobs, fabulous. I do have a little scar, but if you guys suggest any scar cream that will help me get rid of my scar or have it fade, please drop it down below, because your girl need that. As far as my stitches, they are completely dissolved. My breasts are dropping. Like, it's easier for me to sleep now. I don't have any back pains. I don't have any muscle spasms, none of that. Like, I'm so excited. I have to order some more sports bras though, because you know I ain't have no titties before, so I ain't really need no bras, you feel me? So I do have to order some more sports bras, but I just wanted to give that to y'all real fast. Like, I'm so excited about my boobs, but I'm so mad about this quarantine because I can't even show them off like I really want to. But if you haven't already, follow my Instagram because I'm about to be real active on there. Follow my Instagram, add me on Facebook, follow my Twitter, follow my TikTok. Like, just follow me on everything, okay? Like, get your girl out there. And I'm trying to get my subscribers up, so do what y'all do. I love you guys. I'll see you guys next time. I hope you guys enjoyed. Later.